colors of the morning light. Nature sings a love so pure and bright, where the river flows and the wildflowers sway. Together we dance in the magic of the day. Beneath the wide open sky, our hearts learn to fly. In the nature of love, we're wild and free, like the mountains stand tall. It's you and me. Together we roam where the wildflowers grow. In the nature of love, I'll never let go. Where the wild things roam, every step with you feels like coming home. Stars above witness our sweet embrace. In this sacred space, love finds its place. Underneath the starry fields, our souls are healed. In the nature of love, we're wild and free, like the mountains stand tall. It's you and me. Together we'll roam where the wildflowers grow. In the nature of love, I'll never let go. Hand in hand, the journey of the soul. In the nature of love, our story is told.